In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix it when you are trying to right click on a YouTube video and it's not opening up in a new tab. So what I mean by that is if I click on a video for an example, you can see open link in new tab. If that's not actually working, okay, I'm going to show you a quick fix that actually works all the time. So the way that you can do this is by turning off inline playback in your settings. But if you don't necessarily want to do that and you're still not getting the open link in new tab, there's one simple trick that you can do. So the fix is, instead of clicking on the actual thumbnail of the video and right clicking the thumbnail, simply just go ahead and right click the title, and then you should see the open link in new tab once you are clicking on the title. So if you go into your settings and you disable inline playback, you will be able to open up a new tab from the thumbnail. But if you don't necessarily want to do that and you like the inline playback, simply just right click onto the title and then open link in new tab, and that's it. So if this helped you out, drop a like onto this video and I'll see you in the next one.